Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 22nd May 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 29 points up more at the level of 11,756. Yesterday we were almost at the all-time high and today we are seeing 11,756. That's because Indian market shut down most of the gains which was on the day before yesterday, that's on Monday. Alright, so let's see what US markets have offered in yesterday's session. Pretty good session yesterday. 197 points up on Dow Jones and 83 points up on Nasdaq and 24 points up on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in green and follow up in the open session in green as well. So what does Indian market has to offer in supports and resistances? Yesterday the level of 11,760 could not be held. It actually went down and closed around the levels of 11,748 levels. So sorry, 11,709 levels, and afterwards we may see that market may go up to 11,700 level and 11,650 level in order to take support in today's session, presumably, or it may go up above the 11,760 and close above 11,800 as well. So 11,760 is a resistance as of now. 11,860 if it is barred, 11,760 if it is barred, 11,758 to 11,760 levels, then 11,800 is very easy to achieve, and after that 11,860 also will be touched. So presumably if it goes above 11,760 we will touch it 11,800. If it stops below 11,760, then 11,650 to 11,550 to 11,500 is quite possible in today's session itself. Let's see what Indian markets has to offer in supports first. So the 11,700 level is a very strong support as of now for the Indian markets, and 11,650 and 11,600 is a very strong support for Indian market as of now, and 11,577 levels to 11,550 levels, that is 11,543, 11,529 levels and 11,500 levels, 11,486 levels and 11,467 levels are the levels of supports we have to watch out for. And what are the resistances we have to watch out for in today's session? The first resistance comes at 11,760, next is at 11,810, and next is at 11,860, and the all-time high, yesterday's high, Indian markets have scaled, that is 11,883 is the all-time high, which yesterday was scaled but anyways came down from there. So 11,883 is one more resistance we have to watch out for. So what is fast stochastic showing? Fast stochastic is at 77 levels, slow stochastic is at 73. So both means that we are not in the overbought zone yet. We may see that market may go up from here onwards. So what is MACD suggesting? MACD is positive now, and MACD is showing -7 in MACD and exponential at -27. So we see that MACD is quite positive as of now, and we see that there is a momentum in the market which has started upwards. So that is what the technical analysis is suggesting. That's the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.